In this video, we will show you how to change profile pictures on TikTok. It's very easy to change your profile pictures on TikTok, but there are many questions about this. To change your profile pictures on the TikTok app, you can just click edit here. Okay, we will show you. Just click edit and you can change your photo and you can select from gallery or just take a photo with your camera. For example, we choose from gallery. Okay, now we select the first photo, for example, and just click next. And you can click save and pause. After that, your photo will change for your profiles. Okay, this is the first method if you're using TikTok app. You can also disable post this photo to story. Okay, just untick this to disable your photo from story. And the number second, you can using web browser if you're using PC, computers, or another web browser. It is almost the same. Just click edit profile and click this pencil icon. Then you can select the photo and you can click apply after that. And your profile picture will update. And that's all tutorial how to change your profile picture or your profile photo on TikTok application and on TikTok web browser. Thanks for watching.